Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I took a trade. I did a very small scalping trade today in the Indian stock market. So again, it isn't a very a difficult trade. It was a pretty easy trade because it was a trending day and it was a pretty logical day. And I'll quickly just explain the logic to you without further delay. So, one thing that I would like to say is, first of all, currently I'm not trading very aggressively because I have a lot of other things going on in my life right now, and I'm in that chill back phase right now. So I'm not really quite focused on making like such huge trades. So I'm currently trading like with just like one lot or so, and I'm pretty satisfied with the trades too because I'm just focusing on I'm just waiting for the right opportunity and just practicing my skills right now and not really focused on the money aspect of things because it's really helping me with my trading psychology as well when I keep it this way. So that's what I'm doing. So I'll just quickly explain what exactly is the trade that I did today. So if you have been observing the market today, if you see the 1 hour charts, Nifty has been falling today. Today is the Friday. I think I already mentioned that today is 22nd August, just Friday. So as soon as the market opened today on 22nd, as you can see, obviously market has been falling. So recently, if you see on the 4-hour charts, the market did climb a lot. Basically it was on a bull run, like it did reverse from this major demand zone right here. And if you see the 1-day charts right here, you can clearly see that this zone right here has been a major demand zone, and the market did give us like a fake breakdown from this zone, but more or less it's not exactly a fake breakdown. Basically it was just a liquidity sweep on a higher time frame. Because it wanted more liquidity, it swept more stop loss orders of most of other buyers out there, and even some of the potential sellers out there who were waiting for the breakdown. And after sweeping the liquidity, the market started just flying, just like upwards, just like that. You can see this major gap up with which the market even opened, and started climbing up and reached back around 25,000, 150 kind of level. And now obviously market is on a bull run. It is on the bullish scale right now. And yeah, today if you see today and yesterday, it has been pulling back. Basically as you know, the market does not just climb in one particular go just like that. Obviously market moves in a zigzag kind of manner. Overall, if it's an uptrend, basically overall the price will be moving upwards, but that does not necessarily mean that the price never move in a straight line. So every time it takes 3 steps forward, it'll take like 1 step backward or 2 steps backward, and then again take 4 steps forward, and so and so. That's how the market moves. That's basically how the market structure works. And once you understand that, everything becomes very easy, because market structure, the way it moves is basically from balances to imbalances to balances to imbalances, and so on and so forth. So what I do is I trade those imbalances. I wait for those days where I can get the right imbalance in the market, and as soon as I observe the imbalance found in the market, that's when I exactly just enter for the trade. Because once you spot out the imbalance, then you just trade from exactly where the imbalance begin. You trade until the next balance level, and you can just take home profit and be happy with the day. And it's very easy if you trade like that, and it's very stress free, and all you have to do is just be patient. And that's one thing that I have been currently focusing on too. Like in the Indian stock market, right now I'm only trading options for the while. Maybe I might switch after a while, but currently I'm trading options. And whenever I do trade options, I'm not trading every single day. Like I do not look at the charts 24/7 now. Like whenever I open the charts, if I see an opportunity or if I see a potential opportunity, then I wait, and then I just enter, and then I close the trade as quickly as possible. If I just take a glance at the chart, and if I do not see any opportunity forming up, then I just close the charts for the day and I just do my other business. Like, I don't really care about this. And what I did notice is I'm more of a swing trader, because I'm really enjoying the process of holding the trades for a longer period. And that's what I'm doing in the other markets apart from the Indian stock market. Like in the forex scene, that's what I'm doing, and I'm pretty happy with how that's going to. And yeah, I'm still in the learning phase. I'm learning slowly, and I'm not in a hurry for anything. So I'm just slowly taking things on my journey right now. So as I was saying, market obviously is in the bull run right now, and The trade that we took is a put option. Obviously, we were shorting. The reason we are shorting Nifty is because after this huge bull run, yesterday we got a little bit of pullback, and today we were, we were able to see another pullback happening. So basically, on the 1 day charts, just aiming to come to touch to the 9 and 15 EMA. So as soon as it comes, it takes support from here. Most likely, it will just take support from this zone and then start. I'm pretty sure that it will take support from this zone right here and start bouncing back again. So all I did was, if you see in the 5-minute candles, I just waited for the market to find a balance. So today, if you see right here, when I opened, I just waited. I did not enter the trade when the market was falling just like that. Rather, I waited for the balance to happen, and I observed a balance in the market right here. So this is balance. Basically, what I'm trying to say is like a consolidation phase of the market. So all I did was I was just waiting for the consolidation, for the market to break out of the consolidation zone right there. So the market was consolidated for a while, and after the consolidation, what happens is the market keeps on building, like hitting stop losses back and forth, and basically starts grabbing more and more liquidity in this zone right here. So if you keep waiting, essentially what happens is the price is basically like fueling up. It's like you can think of it as like a car that is on a long journey. Like basically from a point A somewhere up right there, it's traveling to point B. And in this long journey that the car is going through, obviously in between it will have to make some stops then and there. Now and then, right? Because it will not. The petrol, obviously your petrol or diesel or whatever, like a car will start to run out of your fuel. And when that happens, obviously car will have to make a pit stop at one of the petrol pump where it can basically go and refuel itself. So it's a similar sense over here too. Like in this consolidation phase, what the market does is just refueling. So it's just waiting for its tank to get full. So I just waited for this, pullback. I just waited for this consolidation to break out, and within the consolidation phase, I did enter the trade when I got a green candle somewhere over there. Yeah, when I saw this green candle, doji candle forming right here, so I got like some confirmation that okay, most likely this basically means there's an indecision in the market, that is equal pressure from the buyers and sellers. So from here, given the downtrend that's happening today, it's highly likely that it's just from here, like a huge sellers will smart money will basically enter into the market, and then selling pressure will just keep increasing. So as soon as this green candle was over and it's opened with the red candle right there, I entered the trade then and there, and then I just had to wait. So when I entered, I basically had even kept a limit order. Like I did see that the option over here did go to like around 130 or 133, 135 or something when I was observing, but I did not enter there. I was waiting for the pullback in this put option, 25,000 put option, to actually pull back to the 128 level. So I kept a limit order on 128, and as soon as this slight pullback happened, it tapped me into the trade at 128, and then I was good to go. So then I just had to wait. I waited for, basically I kept a sell order I placed at around 145. So which was around what, 128 145 was how much, 17 points, right? So basically it was a 17 points on Nifty that I kept, and it was a very quick 2.17 trade. It was a very simple trade. So I just had to, once I got tapped into the trade, then I was just waiting for this balance to get over. So it did, after this red candle, it just went back again with a small green candle, like in a slight pullback to just get some more liquidity into the market. Tapped at the rejection, which got rejected from the 9 EMA right there, and then boom, the smart money again entered, because the fueling part is over, the tank is full, and market was ready to go. After a small drawdown, bam, market just started flying. Then right from there, big huge you can see in the 5-minute candlestick, it's a very huge bearish candle was formed, and in that candlestick that was being formed, my price, if you see over here in the 5-minute charts, yeah, in 1 or 2 candles itself, it went right to my TP, and I was out of the trade. So it was a very quick and easy trade. And as I said, currently I'm not really trading aggressive, so I'm not doing a huge lot size. I just went for like a simple 1 lot size trade. So you can see just 1 lot, and with 17 points, we got around 1,275 rupees. I'm very happy with that. Like I do not need more, because I'm not trading with big funds right now. I'm keeping it pretty low key, because I'm just focused on building more confidence in myself before I bring out my big funds. And for the time being, this is more than like satisfactory for my current needs as well. Although I'm not really using this money, but yeah, it's more than satisfactory for my current needs. So most likely also, like, I'm just gonna withdraw this fund so I can just use it, because I'm not planning on growing this account. Rather, I'll just keep it on the same level itself. So that was my quick little trade today. And obviously, after I got out of the trade at like 145, it did further go up until 163 or something. But I do not care about this, because as soon as my trade was over, I legit just closed my screens and I went to have my breakfast then, and then I just started watching a movie and then just chilling for the morning. Like, I didn't really care much, because I'm currently holding another swing position as well, on which I will be making a video, and that video will come out soon too. Because since it's a swing position, I'm not exactly sure when exactly the trade will get closed. It's been it's been 1.5 days, I guess, right now. So maybe it might take another 1 day or so, or maybe even a couple more days. I'm not sure. But I'm currently also working on that video. So after this video is out, after a couple of days when that trade is closed, I will be uploading that video as well. So it's on the forex market. So I'll explain the logic behind that trade and the patience and everything in that particular video. Anyways, this is the trade that I took in the Indian stock market today in the morning, and I'm done for the day. I'm not trading anymore. And as I said, I'm already managing another open trade in my other markets. So that is going on. And I'm not trading any big funds anywhere. I'm just really focused on working on my strategy and improving as a trader. And yeah, as I said before, like, I'm not trading aggressively and pretty calm, consistent enough, but I'm giving myself enough breaks so that I'm not rushing into anything. I'm just really doing a chilled out phase where I'm just enjoying this process too. So that was a quick little small video that I made today on the trade that I took today. And I hope you all enjoyed my video. And if you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. And hopefully you were able to learn a little bit from my analysis. And I apologize for the noise outside. But yeah, so hopefully anyways you are able to learn a little bit from my analysis today, and about how to trade imbalances in the market, and basically how you enter from the balances to the imbalance shift, and then how you just wait for the next balance to happen while you exit the trade. So it's a very basic yet very important concept of how the market moves, and it's completely based on market structure. And that's what I trade too. I just trade with the smart money concepts and a market structure. So that's what I'm trying to explain to all of you as well. So I hope you could learn something from my video, and I hope I'm able to inspire a little bit, whoever is watching this video. And that's it from my side for today. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.